Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video because that dog that you hear right there knocked over my camera while we weren't home, and she ate it. I mean, I think I have a picture, maybe I can insert that, but she literally tore the lens off and ate like the inside of the lens. So I did not have a camera. So today has been a day, and everything I feel like has been going to like a really good schedule, like Olsen wise. Like, he's been doing his naps at the same time and like going to bed at the same time. And just recently, I don't know if he's entered like a sleeping regression or like what, but like our nap schedule is like kind of all thrown off. Like, he'll go down at the same time, but it's always like really short. So I don't know how to fix that right now. We're gonna just kind of like work through it. I thought it'd be fun to film a night routine video because that's one routine that hasn't changed in a long time, and it's always, I'm like watching him, it's pretty constant. So this is my night routine video with my 8-month-old baby Olsen and Ivy, and Matt will be home from work soon. So it's 5:49 right now, and Matt usually leaves work around 5:30, and I will usually start cooking dinner like right now if I'm gonna cook. I actually put a crock pot dinner in the crock pot, so I'll show you that because this is kind of where our night gets started, like right around like 6 o'clock. As we wait for Matt to get home, and then we eat dinner, and then everything else that I'll just show you later. Hey little buddy. So I actually had set the pack and play up right here, like in our like dining room, because I just needed somewhere to like put him down that like wasn't this chair, because he's just like getting over that pretty quickly. So I've been putting him in here, so like when I'm standing here in the kitchen I can just like watch him. But this is the aftermath of our day. It's messy, there's toys, cups, Ivy's in the wrath of it all. And yeah, it's just like a freaking mess in here. I'm gonna have to clean that up before we go to bed. Yeah, so this is my cute little crock pot. I like it. My mom gave it to me. It looks like it's like just out of the 70s, and I use these crock pot liners so that I don't have to clean it like every time I use it, because usually I use it like for like 2 or 3 days in a row. So let's see. Yay! I had already shredded up the chicken. So that crock pot meal is actually like a basil chicken pesto butter thing. So all you do is like put the chicken breast in, and then you just put the basil pesto, squeeze some lemon juice, and then cut up like, I don't know, like 4 little chunks of butter and just throw it in there. It's been on low now for like 6 hours, so it is like probably ready. And then I'm just gonna boil some pasta, and then when it's all done, mix it together with mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna make some garlic bread too. So I'm really excited because I'm really hungry, and that sounds really good right now. Daddy's home! He loves Daddy. Look who's here. Look who's here. Yay. You ready to eat your dinner? Olsen's having the garden beef and vegetable Gerber puree. And here's our dinner, which is the crock pot basil chicken pasta and a Texas toast. I'm sorry.
I want to believe it.
Here you
go. I'm not hearing the confidence. Okay, holding in your price tool. Power options based on your budget.
Do you like it?
Look, back.
You don't? And yes, we are eating on the floor because we don't have a table, because
it's right there.
Well, we moved it, but it's not here. I'm fine eating on the floor. He wants more. I actually heated it up tonight by just using hot water, and I hope that makes him like it more, because he hasn't been liking it. My mom said maybe it was because it was cold, so I did heat it up with some hot water. And look, he seems to like it. So, yay. The aftermath of dinner. Dun dun dun. You want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? He's very chunky and he's gonna get a bath. He's getting a bath because he's chunky and he's dirty. Ooh, thank you, Daddy. He's getting a bath. He's getting a bath. Because he's chunky and he's dirty. What's Daddy doing? Try. Is he clean? Is he clean? Yes, he is. He's so clean and cute. I love you. I love you. Hi. Olsen, do you help Mama clean up? You help Mama clean? Got you in my trusty kangaroo pouch. Is Sophie squeaky? Is Sophie doing a squeaky? Yes. Yes. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Okay, so that is gonna be it for this night routine. I'm just gonna change into pajamas, get in bed, and we're gonna go to sleep. So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!